Hey guys, welcome back to Curly Girls. I'm Stella, and today, as you can see in the title below, I'll be showing you guys how to make Rice Krispie Squares. So they are a delicious treat, but with this one, it's quick and easy. Okay, so what you need: marshmallows. Oh, sorry, you guys couldn't see that. So I have the Jet Puffed marshmallows, and they're the jumbo ones. Like that. And most importantly, you need the Rice Krispies. So let's get to it. Also, what you need is a small glass jar or plastic. Doesn't matter, just nothing that's I don't know. Okay, so sorry, there's a jar there. We put 2 big marshmallows. Actually, I'm gonna put 3. Put 3 big marshmallows in, and let's go put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Or maybe 15. Let's put it in for 15. Okay, so sorry guys. They are currently in the microwave. Whoa! Why does that keep falling? There they are. Let's go grab them. So I put them in for 15 seconds. Let's see, are they melted? Maybe another 15 seconds. Okay, so they're currently in there in the microwave. You can hear they're right there. You can just see the thing. All right, guys. So I may have a go grab it. I may have a good Rice Krispie square. Wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. Okay, so it's really hot. Wow, look at that. Okay, and you're going to need either a spoon or a fork. I'm going to use a spoon. No, I'm going to use a fork. And then I'm going to take the Rice Krispies and kind of sprinkle them. Okay, and you're just going to put about that much in. And you're just going to mix it. And then I'm going to grab a little jar, or not a little jar, a little thing like this. And I'm going to melt some butter in it. So let's grab the butter. Okay, so we have the butter right here. And let's put that in the microwave for 15 seconds. Alright guys, so I have made a new creation. I'll go grab it one moment. Alright, so I have this new secret project and these are done. Now use the butter. Let's see, is it melted? Yep. So 15 seconds is perfect. And you're just going to pour it in with the Rice Krispies. And that should give them a little bit of texture. And it should be easier to mix. Okay, and then we're just going to add a few more Rice Krispies. Okay, so let's mix this in and we should have a beautiful Rice Krispie square. Okay, and if you're one of those people who likes it warm, you can eat it now, or if you like it like hard, you can eat it, you can put it in the fridge for about half an hour and When you come back, you can check on them, see if they're as hard as you wanted, and then keep going from there. That's really good. Delish. Alright, so watch another video where I show you my secret projects. Bye guys, like and subscribe.